Hello guys, Dash here by again with another video. So today we're going to take a look at the SAC 23's ROM, which is version 3. So we'll go down here and take a look at it. So as you can see over here, SAC 23's ROM, and it is the third version. Sorry, it comes with the 1st of May Android security patch level and Moro kernel version 1.6. But I have installed Notorious kernel version 1.5.5. I got another video on that, so be sure to check it out. So this is a pretty big update for the ROM. It all starts from the lock screen. As you can see over here, you can actually I must change it so that you can see it. So let's start with the application. It now has ROM control. So if I click over here, you can see all those things that you can change. So we'll go through them. So the lock screen modes, let's start with the first one. There is a lock screen rotation, a low notification, quick reply, and you can see all those. I'm not going to read them to you. You can just pause and take a look at everything that is in here so that you can see what could be changed. Because if I start going through every one of them, this video will probably become 40-50 minutes, depends on how much time I spent on showing those features. So right now I'm on status bar modes. There is also 3-minute battery settings, as you can see on the top right corner. So you can change those over here when you click it, So after that, there is also charging animation. These settings doesn't come for 3-minute battery, but for this bar over here, which represents the level of your battery. After battery, you can change the position and the size of the clock, which is in the status bar. After that comes network traffic, which is basically this thing on the top left corner. So you can change all type of things connected with it, related. After that you have virtual buttons. Virtual buttons are actually, when you click, for example, over here, there will be a button on the right side, so you can see that my screen turned off. So basically these are the virtual buttons as far as I know. After that you have notification panel, so you can change the color and the shape of the notification panel. You can have the matrix effects. You can have an image for background over here. Under the quick panel you can see what are the options over here. Data usage mode is this thing over here that shows how much data you have used for a certain period of time. You set it. Recent activities is RAM and swap info, this thing on the top over here, which shows your RAM. And also recent background, you can choose a background for the recent apps panel. After that, other user interface modes, you can change those icons over here. You can make them up to 8 if I'm sure. So right now they are 5, and if I click 15, they could be 15. These are, which could be, I can't imagine pressing the power button and going to Google, but someone probably is going to like that. Also you have volume panel options, you can check them over here. After that, warning, the volume warning, you can enable or disable it. You can basically tell what those 3 buttons do after 1 press, 2 presses or 3 presses consecutive, of course. So sorry, one more time. So I was telling you about this one. So when I remove the notification, you see the size of the clock. You can see, and it happens basically with every size of clock, and this can be changed. This cannot be changed, the size, when it's in this mode and when you have a notification. So basically this is the first thing that really annoys me. The second thing is the launcher. It's not the original one. There are some changes. This is more stuck to the bottom. The other ones used to be somewhere over here, so I have to adjust my finger to get to this bottom row. Another thing is I can disable this one and this one. So basically I like stock ROM, stock Samsung software. You will probably love those things, but I'm not really onto it. So yeah, this can be disabled, but imagine without it, this space is just too big. So on the stock, this thing over here is at the level of data usage. Yeah, I know this is something really small, but this annoys me. So it would be nice if SAC23, if you're watching this video, just make an option of stock ROM without no, with M2X, but probably without the SAC23 settings and without all those changes. And it would be really nice if you could choose if you want to customize it or not. Besides that, everything is good. I got good battery and also very good performance from the ROM, but I'm going back to version 2 because of those things. So I'll wait for version 4, and I'm hoping that he will see those things and he will change them. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon. Sorry guys, got to pick up another quick phone call. What the hell is going on with those? So I got to the point of touch with home options. So you have a transition mode, so you can choose the animation that it does. Also you have the transition speed, as you saw over there, and also you have the music player options, so you can just play with those and change their covers. So for example, the title text cover, you can do whatever you want with it. So this is it for this application. So another thing I've showed is M2X. I don't know why it says that I don't have root when I choose Magisk, which I can't see at the moment. So no, it's not that. Yeah, here it is. I'm pretty sure that you saw it at the beginning. So probably I didn't root the device, which is really strange. So I must have forgotten. So M2X basically allows you to change the frequency of the processor and the GPU, the CPU and the GPU. So basically you can run it on lower power and of course have more battery, but less productivity on the phone. So basically this is what M2X gives you. And Game Tuner, probably you're going to think what it is, because this is the first time I'm seeing this. So basically you can control your apps, as I can see over here. Nothing really special. Yeah, it has stopped. So this ROM has a couple of bugs and things that really annoy me. So this is not the first time I'm installing it. This is the second time, as I've made another videos on my channel reinstalling the software. So the first one, as you saw in the beginning, I've done really nothing during that phone call. I just left the phone over here, so probably this thing activates while I open the application. So when you click that button, just look at that clock. Other things are normal, but this clock is enormous. So if you want to change that, I have played with the SAC23 settings, so there are settings for those. So it should be over here. You can change the size, so probably around 60, I think, was the normal one. Let's take a look. It's really nice that right now I got the, no, it's not 60, it's probably 70, but look at my point. So when you got notification,